Every year, corruption and fraud create trillions of dollars of losses in the global economy. But what causes people to cheat in this way? We already know that incentives can drive this behavior. For example, research has shown that performance-based bonuses can lead people to cheat in pursuit of financial gain. But what if incentives could also be used to prevent corruption and fraud? In 2015, we ran a set of experiments that had very unexpected results. In the experiment, we paid participants to roll a single 10-sided die and then report their score. No one could see them doing this, so only they knew their real score, and the die had an equal chance of landing on any number from 1 to 10. We repeated this task with 3 different groups of people. Group A were the control group. They were told they would be paid a fixed amount of money to roll the die and report their score. As expected, they reported a roughly even distribution of scores from 1 to 10. This suggests there is no cheating when there is no associated financial gain. Group B were the gain group. They were told they would be paid based on their score. The higher the score they reported, the more they would be paid. Perhaps unsurprisingly, this group reported a suspiciously high number of scores of 8, 9, and 10. This suggests the opportunity to make a financial gain caused some of them to cheat. Finally, Group C were the loss group. They were also told they would be paid based on their score. However, instead of being paid after reporting their score, they were given the maximum amount of money they could earn before the experiment. And based on their score, they would very probably have to give back some or all of that money. When we collated the results from this group, we found they had reported a roughly even distribution of scores from 1 to 10. This was very unexpected. Humans are loss-averse. We do not like losing what we already have, and find losses twice as painful as we find gains pleasurable. We expected the participants in the loss group to cheat at least as much as the gain group, if not even more, yet they don't appear to have cheated at all. This is both surprising and exciting. We had expected these participants to cheat, they had a financial incentive to cheat, and yet they did not cheat. The important question is, why didn't they cheat? In a world where corruption and fraud cost trillions of dollars every year, this is a question that urgently needs an answer. If we can understand how to prevent cheating in our experiments, we may be able to use the same strategies to prevent real-world corruption and fraud. We are currently raising £2,500 to fund the next stage of our research, but even if we raise £1,500, we will still be able to conduct some further experiments. Please donate now and support us to discover how financial incentives could be used to prevent cheating, corruption, and fraud.